Today, I'm going to show you how to get to SuccessMaker. We are going to start out on our school website. Once you have the school website pulled up, I would strongly suggest that all students bookmark the website, just so you don't have to search for it next time. Under the Our Students tab, you have access to Home-Based Rapid Identity. Your username is your student number, and your password, if you do not know it, please email your homeroom teacher and they can reset it for you. Once you're in here, you have access to some apps. One would be PowerSchool, which will tell you your grades for each class. One will be Canvas, which is our learning management system starting on September 13th and on. And one of those is Savvis EasyBridge. If you click on the Savvis EasyBridge, it's going to take you to this screen. Yours may look a little different just because I'm a teacher. From here, you're going to click on the SuccessMaker tab on the right-hand side of your screen, and it's going to give you the option between reading and math. You are required to do 3 sessions of each subject a week between Monday and Friday. Have a wonderful day.